So next thing that we're going to do to break these ties, we're going to need to use dominance matrices. So in order to do that, we're going to have to do our matrix multiplied by itself. Okay, so that's going to give us a d squared matrix. That's not going to tell us the new rank straight away, but it is going to tell us how to get to our new rank. Okay, so I'm going to first do that by highlighting all of the squares that I want it to fill in, pressing equals, and I'm going to type MMULT, which is matrix multiplication. Now I'm going to come over here and click all of these cells, comma, all of the cells again, close the bracket, and then at the same time I want to press Control, Shift, and Enter. So Control, Shift, Enter, and that'll populate it with the cells. Once I've done that, I can do my sum column again. And that will give me a score for the second hand wins. So this matrix doesn't actually tell me what happened or who's in chart or who's in the lead. It just tells me what would happen based on second hand wins. So now I can go over here, and at the top I'm doing d plus d squared. So that means I'm going to be doing this matrix, the actual win, plus the second hand win, and then this will help me break any ties that I get. Okay, so equals this one plus this one. Enter, and now that I've done that, I can just pull it around because the cells are the same makeup here. Okay, and now I can do my sum column again. Enter, okay. So as you can see now, that's broken any ties. The problems that I do have with doing it this way is that the first hand win, the actual win, is weighted the same as a second hand win, which is not a real win. That never happened, which is why we like to weight them differently. So I'm going to come over here to my next one, and I'm going to do a similar calculation, except I am going to, not that one, I'm going to weight it as half. So it'll be the original win, the actual win, plus my theoretical win, and I'm going to say that that is only worth half as much as an actual win. This is an arbitrary value. This is an important element of a dominance matrix, and you really do need to discuss it. So now you can see these values have changed based on that arbitrary value to weight the win. Okay, and now I can do my sum column, add them all together again, pull it down just like that. Okay, and now I can order the wins here. So I'm going to rewrite this rank as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Okay, so in first position. Now, when we're interpreting this, remember that you voted for which one you would rather do. So the one that is most preferable to do is option 3, followed by option 4, then option 2, option 1, and lucky last is option 5. Okay, now I'm going to go through and I'm going to perform those same calculations for these ones down here as well.